My name is Ronald Ahimbisigwe, and I'm here to take you through the stages of certification, especially for the small-scale industries. To begin with, the enterprise needs to be registered with URSB, having a registration certificate or a company registration certificate, just a business name registration or a company registration certificate. Now, after registration, you need to have a TIN number, which is issued by Uganda Revenue Authority, that you are able to transact the business with government. Then after that, you need to have an email address for which we shall be using to communicate with you as an institution upon the certification process. From there, you will create an account, which account you will receive an email for it on your an email of with a password for you to be able to access your account. Now you will log in using your email address and the password sent to you. When you log in, you start the application process. You pick product certification, then the category where your product lies, either chemical or food or engineering. Then from there, you will tell us your product and the brand, and then you go ahead to tell us the details about your company. After you've told us the details, where you are located, how much you can produce, who is in charge of quality, and so on, you will tell us the raw materials. After telling us the raw materials, you will tell us the processes you go through to do the quality control at the different stages of production. Then after that, you will make an attachment of a process flow, the process through which your product goes through from raw material up to final product, and the checks you do. Or you can just describe it on a piece of paper and then you send it to us. Then you will attach a business certificate, which you have already got, a business registration certificate. Then you also attach your label. And if you have tested your product before, you can also attach a copy of test report. Now, after application, we shall review your application to see whether it is right, it is correct, has all the information, or there is something missing. If it is missing, we shall send it back to you. And if you correct it, we shall process it. Upon processing, we shall bill you. The bill at that stage is for audit and testing the product. After you have paid, you put in a proof of payment. You log into your account, you put in proof of payment, and then you submit to us, and then we schedule you for audit. During the audit, we communicate that we are coming, and we come to evaluate how you are processing. We see how you are doing it, and then we evaluate your sample in terms of labeling and other requirements, and then we pick sample for lab analysis. When your sample passes and the rest of the processes are okay, the hygiene requirements, the labeling requirements, file will be evaluated and recommended to the executive director for grant of permit. Once the permit is granted, we shall request you to pay for the permit fees. At that stage, once you pay for the permit fees, yes, you'll get your certification and you are good to go. At the moment, we started with regional offices. We have an office in Imbarara, we have an office in Imbari, we have an office in Guru, and of course we have the head office working on certification and other. But for legal metrology, we have mobile offices everywhere. There is Lira, there is Mbara again, there is Imbarara, but they are very mobile. All those offices, they handle regions. First of all, SMEs are very many across the country, so we encourage them to join associations so that we are able to reach to them in big numbers at the same time. For example, we are working with UZIA, and UZIA is bringing all their members to benefit from these trainings, the trainings we have, any other technical guidances we have, and registration services. This is done for the different offices. For example, if you have an association, wherever you have a branch, you just inform us that you have members. We shall be there to support your members to get certification of UNBS.